can also be easily replaced. It gets about as much oil and gas from Russia as it does from Brazil, and Vladimir Putin would be
Connecting to the emergency call center.
Make you sing along in the car while you're heading off to your destination.
Don't hit us. Oh my God! Wow. Come on, buddy. What are you doing here? I better put this in there.
मर्जी करने वाला भैया लंबा रास्ता आ जाता आगे नहीं तो ज्यादा नहीं ट्रैक डाउन लगी तो नहीं बच गया यार
This loan could destabilize U.S. financial markets. Powell has said he has no plans to step down today, adding this week that he considers the bank
There lies a long shadow.
That like the things you think when you are afraid are not made more true by your fear during the situation. And of course, my example always for this is 35-year-old white women who
I didn't think I'd make it. I was in...
Ух ты, блядь. Стоять нахуй.
Ой, сука, все.
Пидоры, блядь. Блядь.
как это он так
И предназначена для передачи.
Oh!
Что это?
Ах ты, блядь, сука!
It's also important to outline, we're not saying that Charles was like a bad person or did anything expressly evil. But because the way the law was written at the time, it let people get away with this. But it seems that Charles, even if he didn't work with them directly, he was definitely knowledgeable.
They'll probably go by ground. Probably go by ground shipping then. That will take a little. It might take a little longer from my location. But no. Essentially, okay.
After lying still and recovering for a few seconds, she crawled toward the front of the truck, slipped down onto the cab, and then climbed down the side of it, using the side view mirror and door handle as toe holds and grips. Once she was on the concrete floor, Ballard checked the warehouse's doors to see if she would have a quick escape route. Turn right onto East Broad Street.
Well, I haven't been in this little section in a long time.
They want to sell Dom and Dad's old camper, their pop-up camper, and the boat. You better stop. Like, because he can, you know. And I said, oh my goodness.
What an absolute. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
What the hell?
using a digital world. Oh, fuck! For that minute, so not two. You okay? Fire, bro. He's getting me. Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
I know I'll never have a horse. They're a lot of work. Oh my God! What?
I'll let you all that.
What did I just see?